Hey everyone, this is First Tech on YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to find your camera serial number. So all you'll have to do is just take your camera, check the bottom of your camera. You'll find this white rectangle. You'll find the serial number written down here. So in this case my camera is old, and by the time the serial number has been erased, all you have to do in this case, you have to check the box that came with the camera. You'll find the serial number right there. If you don't have the box as me, all you'll have to do is just try to find it on the computer. If you don't know how to find it on the computer, I'll show you. So let's go check in.
So welcome back, bros. This is First Tech always on YouTube. So the first step to get your serial number, for this you'll need the picture you took with your camera here, and you will need this software called desappear. By the way, you will find it by entering to Google and writing desappear. Press here, you'll find the link on the description. By the way, this tutorial allows you to make a panoramic 360 photos for Facebook. It's available for Macintosh, Linux, and for Windows. Just click here and then download. Once downloaded, I already have it. Once downloaded, unzip it and open desappear. Alright, so choose JPEG photo or PNG. Let's search. Let's bring our photo here. Open it. Once opened, press here, existing metadata, and then go to maker nodes here. You'll find this maker nodes, and here we are. This is the serial number of my camera. So if you need your serial number to download things from the official website, like Canon, sometimes it asks you to insert the serial number of your camera. So I hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in other videos.